Welcome back to The Honest Garage.
So why does the UK still love the manual gearbox when most other countries don't? The automatic gearbox has basically won the world. America, Japan and most of Europe use it as standard. But here in the UK we're still shifting through a 6-speed manual like it's nothing. So why? Why has Britain held out almost longer than everyone else? The biggest reason is something unique to the UK, our licensing system. Because we treat manual and automatic drivers as two different categories. Pass your test in automatic? Well, that means you're only allowed to drive automatics. Want to drive a manual? Well, that means you're going to have to sit another practical test in order to do so. In most other countries, a license is a license and you can drive whatever you'd like. But over here in the UK, we treat the manual as the gold standard license. There has always been a cultural prestige around the manual license, and driving schools have based their business around teaching it. The roads play a part of it too, especially once you're out of the city and you're into the country roads. Lots of B roads and lots of twists and turns. A manual gives you finer control, slow speed manoeuvring, hill starts, using precise clutch work. It just feels like it suits the environment more on British roads. But are you in more control? Who knows? It all comes down to a personal preference really. Compared to the US, long, flat and wide roads with stop-start freeways, an automatic is very much suited here. Different roads equal different solutions. And then there's the money. For decades, automatic cars cost more to insure, and they also drank more fuel. And in a country where petrol has always been heavily taxed, so drivers just went manual to save money, plain and simple. Modern dual clutch and CVT gearbox have really closed the gap. Some automatics are now more efficient, but the reputation stuck long after the reality changed. So where are we now? Well, slowly we're shifting towards automatics. Automatic registrations have been climbing year on year. This is largely down to the new EV revolution taking over our road. And with EVs there's no gearbox. So with no gearbox there's no manual license anymore. So does that mean it's the end of the manual license? Well, I don't know for certain, but there's a whole new generation of drivers who will not learn clutch control. But the manual isn't dead. Well, not yet anyway. The used car market is full of them, and driver training is still built around them, and the majority of people still pass with a manual license. And for a lot of people it just comes down to genuine choice. Some people prefer to drive manual because they feel more in control of the car. Some people prefer automatic as they find it a more relaxing drive. And the new car market isn't quite dead, with a lot of hot hatches and sports cars still coming available in manual. The UK's manual system isn't stubbornness. It's tied to our roads, it's tied to our licence system, and decades of pricing history, and a real love of feeling connected to the drive. And in this country we have some of the best B roads in the world, and there's nothing more thrilling than shifting through the gears on them. The automatic will eventually take over, mostly thanks to the EV, but for now, we're still a manual nation. So let me know in the comments if you drive an automatic or a manual, and please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.